Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you the very easy process of uploading a zip file to your Google Drive. So let's jump in. Over on your right hand side in your Chrome browser, we're going to go and tap on the 9-dot button over there. It'll bring up all your apps and we're going to go down and look for Drive. Now once we are here in Drive, you can go over to the left hand side, tap on New and look for File Upload. Once this has opened up, it'll show you all the files within your computer or your device, whichever you're using, whatever you're using, and you're going to select your zip file. Here is the zip file right over here. We're going to go over to open and we're going to click on open. Now, depending on how big this file is, it'll give you an update on the bottom over here. You can see it's now saying uploading one item, 1 minute left, and it also gives you the details right over here. So once you're done, you will see it in the rest of your files, and then you can share it and you can keep it safe within your Drive. If this was helpful, you can go ahead and explore our channel. We've got tons of Google product tutorials to help you. So we'll see you over there. Peace out.